Explorador. Hey, are you an Explorador member yet? If not, please join our movement and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Today, we will explore together one of the world's very best vacation destinations, the breathtaking and gorgeous country of Greece. Greece travel is romantic, intoxicating, and relaxing. From the whitewashed buildings of Oia in Santorini to the mosaic labyrinth of Chios, Greece has a surprise at every turn. Delicious food, great restaurants, white sand beaches, turquoise Mediterranean waters, and sunsets that can make your jaw drop. Greece is a destination rivaled by few others for pure romance. With a land area of over 50,000 square miles and a population of 10.7 million, Greece is located in Europe at the southernmost tip of the Balkan Peninsula, surrounded by an archipelago of about 6,000 islands, of which over 200 are inhabited, sharing its northern land borders with Albania, North Macedonia, and Bulgaria. Greece is uniquely positioned at the intersection of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Euro is the main currency used in Greece. In general, the Greeks are particularly proud of their culture and speak of their country with an intense passion, feeling that the culture in Greece is a definition of their national and ethnic belonging. Greek is the only official language of the country. However, a large part of the population do speak English and other European languages. Athens is the nation's capital and home to a population of around 664,000. It's the center of ancient Greek civilization and the birthplace of democracy. To travelers, Athens is most famous for its archaeological ruins, especially the Acropolis complex, which includes the Parthenon, the ancient and Roman Agorist, Hadrian's Library, the Temple of Olympian Zeus, and the Panathenaic Olympic Stadium. Athens is also known for its excellent museums, restaurants, and cultural events. But one of the best things to do in Athens is to just wander the streets and squares, enjoying the vibrant scene. Not surprisingly, Santorini appears on our list of the best places to visit in Greece because there's simply nowhere quite like Oia. But there's more to this little island jewel than the whitewashed buildings and spectacular sunsets. Rent a motorbike or a car and explore hidden wineries, lookout points, quiet beaches, volcanoes, and coves around the island. Santorini's volcanic landscape lends itself to fantastic underwater formations, and Nia Komnene is probably the best example of this in the country. Are you looking to book a trip, tours, hotel, or planning any future travel? Then check us out on our website at exploradordiscovertogether.com and make your dream come true. The magical island of Crete, which is the largest island in Greece that is almost like a country in itself. Blinding white sand beaches, stunning hikes, ancient ruins, and fantastic restaurants await discovery on Greece's largest and most populous island. Hiking the 16-kilometer-long Samaria Gorge, one of Europe's longest canyons, is high on the list of must-dos for many visitors to Crete. The Elefonici Beach, famous for pink sand. This is definitely one of the more unique-looking beaches in Crete and in Greece. The sand here, while no longer obviously pink, is powdery and the water is beautiful. After Crete, there's just something about Zakynthos, Zante Island. There's a cool buzzing vibe here to go along with the normal holiday feel of a Greek island, also known as Nimbagia Beach. This is by far the most iconic image of Greece. Shipwreck Cove is truly a sight to behold, but lazing on the sand isn't the best way to see it. After taking a boat to the beach itself, consider another trip. Drive up or take a tour bus up to the viewpoint atop the towering cliffs to look down at the beach from a bird's eye view. If you're looking for a beach holiday in the Mediterranean, look no further than Kefalonia in the Ionian Sea. Blessed with arguably the best stretches of land in the entire region, Kefalonia is a place that is hard to leave. Don't miss Myrtos Beach. As far as watercolor goes, this is the best beach in Greece. You really can't explain this color, and photos really don't do it justice. You basically just have to see it to believe it. Somehow, it looks as though someone has placed neon blue lights underwater that are so bright that they even managed to illuminate the beach in broad daylight. It's more pebble than sand, but that won't matter because you'll be hypnotized by the view. Other places to visit in Kefalonia are the towns of Assos and Fiskardo. Greece is not only about ancient historical ruins, island hopping, mesmerizing beaches, or food, but is also known as a diver haven, and you won't be disappointed. If exploring sunken wrecks sounds fun, then you are in luck, because Greece is home to one of the most famous wrecks in the world. The HMHS Britannic was a World War I hospital ship that sank off the coast of the little island of Kea, also called Sia, in 1916. A word of caution is needed, as the depth and complexity of the wreck makes it a difficult dive for beginners and should only be explored by advanced divers. Another great and well-known diving site is the Parlokotrista, Corfu. This is a great dive for those looking for clear water, an array of sea life, and underwater rock formations. Here, at the northwest corner of Corfu, divers can enjoy a few small caves and an impressive archway. Day trips may also include dives at the shipwreck of Ermons and the Skalodai natural fish feeding site. Both are in the Parlokotrista area. This is one of the best things to do in Corfu, both above and below the surface of the sea. With a rugged, jagged, and dramatic landscape, it's no surprise that Greece has some fantastic hiking opportunities. Whether you're looking for a challenging trek to a mountain peak or an easy day hike that you can do as a family, there's a trail for everyone in Greece. As the highest peak in the country, Mount Olympus is a hiking paradise. Home to diverse flora and birds, it became the country's first ever national park in 1938, and with an extensive network of trails exceeding 160 kilometers, Mount Olympus is a magnificent destination for hikers, offering glorious vistas of the surrounding areas. You will be amazed. Vikos Gorge, Zagori, is another hiking gem. Located in the northern Pindos Park, around 30 kilometers, 18 miles, from Yanina, and close to the Albanian border, Vikos Gorge is a nature lover's paradise. But it's not just the epic trails that draw intemperate travelers to this area. There are 46 villages within the area of Zagori that you can visit during your trek. Ikaria, known as the Island of Long Life, thanks to its large community of 90-somethings that still remain active and a notably decreased rate of heart disease and cancer among its residents. Ikaria Island in the Ionian Sea is one of the most laid-back places you'll ever find. You'll probably never figure out what time shops are meant to be opened or closed, and you might get dragged into a local festival or two, but it's all part of the charm. Leros. This Dedekanese gem is home to a 100-year-old town with well-preserved Italian rationalist architecture, but that's not all. Leros basically boasts all of the best aspects of the country. Beautiful beaches, quaint fishing villages, hilltop windmills, and funky tavernas. But there's hardly anyone around. If you're looking to get off the beaten path in Greece and find a touch of Italy on the way, then look no further than beautiful Leros. Elamissos. Blessed with a stunning old town, great diving, dramatic landscapes, and a collection of perfect islets, islands, and atolls just offshore. Alonissos is a place where you'll want to spend some time. Enjoy walks through pine forests and olive groves, go bird and dolphin watching in the encompassing National Maritime Park, or head to a local folk medicine doctor to find herbaceous cures for whatever ails you. Paros. Located in the heart of the Cyclades Islands, Paros is what Mykonos was like 20 plus years ago. With just over 10,000 inhabitants and more than 120 kilometers of stunning coastline, this is an off-track destination in Greece that really should be more popular. Pristine landscapes, green valleys, and rolling hills, Paros will not disappoint the intrepid traveler. Greek food and drink is an important aspect of the culture of Greece. Some dishes are common all around the country, whereas some others are local culinary specialties and can be found only in a specific region or Greek island. While you are on holiday, do not miss the chance to try the local Greek dishes in the many restaurants in Greece and the Greek islands. Some of these main dishes are moussaka, pastitsio, paidakia, kokoretsi. Want something to wash it all down with? Greece might have just the thing. Ouzo. This is the most famous Greek alcoholic beverage, the trademark of the country. Greek wines. There is a huge diversity of Greek wines: red, white and rose, sweet or dry. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel inspired, then please make sure to like this video, and also please share your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Also, you can follow us on these social media platforms. For now, as they say in Greece, avio!